is Hermite polynomials. So second polynomial we are going to see. This is Hermite polynomials. Hermite polynomials. So exactly in the similar way what we did in earlier case, here also we have to describe or we have to get the different solutions, even powers of x as well as odd powers x, and a small rearrangement we have to do here, and that gives you the Hermite polynomials. There is also one important condition. We are going to discuss that condition in detail, and then we will be going for this type of different Hermite polynomials of degree 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so let's begin with this solution. The solution of Hermite differential equation, using Frobenius series solution method for even powers of x. Okay, case 1. So case 1 solution was this: y is equal to a0 into the bracket 1 minus 2 into lambda upon 2 factorial multiplied by x square. Now this time it is plus 2 square into lambda multiplied by lambda minus 2 upon 4 factorial multiplied by x raised to 4th minus, now we can write this term, 2 raised to 3, then it is lambda multiplied by lambda minus 2 multiplied by lambda minus 4 divided by 6 factorial into x raised to 6. So next term I can write it now, it's plus 2 raised to 4 into lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 4 into lambda minus 6 upon, this is now 8 factorial into x raised to 8 and minus plus and so on. So this is one infinite series. This is what an infinite series. Okay, we obtained earlier. This is the solution of Hermite differential equation for case 1, if you remember. Either for convenience, let's replace lambda by small n. Okay. Let's replace lambda by small n. Okay. So everywhere there is no need, but I can write this. So I'll get y is equal to a0 times into the bracket 1 minus 2 lambda upon 2 factorial. Now why this displacement is done? Only for convenience. There is no other meaning. We do not write Hermite series in this h lambda x. We write h n x. That's why this shifting has been done. Otherwise there is no change is shifted there. So no major change has been done there. So it is 2n upon lambda 2 factorial plus 2 square into n multiplied by n minus 2 divided by 4 factorial into x raised to 4th minus 2 cube into n multiplied by n minus 2 into n minus 4 divided by 6 factorial into x raised to 6 and so on. So further, if you are this term 2 raised to 4 into n minus 2 into n minus 4 into n minus 6 divided by 8 factorial into x raised to 8 and so on, plus minus minus plus etc. So this is how I replaced lambda by n, and this infinite series has been written there. Now first, for n is equal to 0, now put here n is equal to 0, you will find here this term onwards, since n is equal to 0 here, n is equal to 0 here, n is equal to 0 here, except first term, every term will vanish as I put n is equal to 0, and therefore I'll get y is equal to simply a0 into 1, or that is a0. Okay, so this is polynomial of, okay, I'm not calling it to be Hermite polynomial now, but this is polynomial of degree L is equal to 0. then put second, n is equal to 2. So we'll get y is equal to, when I put n is equal to 2, third term onwards, n minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, so this will become 0. Here also n minus 2, this will become 0. Here also n minus 2, this will become 0. So except first and second term, every term will vanish, and therefore I'll get 1 minus 2 into 2 upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial is again 2. So one of the 2 will be cancelled, and therefore we'll get a0 into the bracket 1 minus 2 into x square. So this is polynomial of degree L is equal to 2. Polynomial of degree L is equal to 2. Likewise, we can go for n equal to 4, n equal to c, and so on, but that is not needed. That calculation is not to be done here. Now, another series solution in odd powers of x. Odd powers of x, that is case 2 solution. It is given by y is equal to, again replace this n by lambda by n, or like that, or we will write this first. So it is a0 into the bracket x minus 2 into lambda minus 1 upon 3 factorial multiplied by x cube, plus this is now 2 square into lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 upon 5 factorial into x raised to 5 minus 2 cube into lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 5 divided by 7 factorial into x raised to 7, and so on. So this is an infinite series. Again, put lambda is equal to n for convenience. So put lambda is equal to n for convenience, and you will get y is equal to a0 into the bracket x minus 2 into n minus 1 upon 3 factorial multiplied by x cube plus 2 square into lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 upon 5 factorial into x raised to 5 minus 2 raised to 3 n minus, sorry, this is n, you replace by n, not lambda. This is n, this is n. I am replacing n lambda by n. So n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 divided by 7 factorial into x raised to 7, and so on. Now let's take, let n is equal to 1. Now when I take n is equal to 1, so second terms onwards, n minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So this term becomes 0. This is 0, this is 0. So except this term, so I'll get y is equal to simply a0x. So this is my polynomial of degree n is equal to 1. Okay, so we have obtained earlier, we obtained polynomial of degree, this is also not L, this is n. Make a change here. L ची आपल्याला सवय लागली, त्यामुळे तसं वाटतं. This is n and this is n. n equal to 0, n equal to 2. 0 and 2. These are odd, these are even numbers, whereas I'll get n equal to 1, and this polynomial is y is equal to a0 times x. Put n is equal to 3. Now you'll find that here with when I put n is equal to 3, so this term onwards, first and second term will appear there only, and this term onwards everyone will be 0. So this will give me y is equal to, let's substitute this, a0 times into the bracket x minus 2 into 3 minus 1 upon 3 into 2, 3 factorial multiplied by x cube. This onwards are simply 0. So that series will get terminated here, and rearranging this will get a0 outside of this, x minus, now 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 upon 2 is 2. So this gives me calculating 2 by 3 times x cube. So this is my polynomial of degree n is equal to 3. So that is how we obtain n equal to 0, n equal to 2, n equal to 1, and n equal to 3. So first two are even polynomials, these two are odd degree polynomials. So n equal to 1 and n equal to 3. Now here also we will see that in all this equation, this a0 is such that this is an arbitrary. Now here also we have to adjust this a0, but not in the same manner what we did in the Legendre's polynomial. In Legendre polynomial, what we did, we have put this condition for every value of x equal to 1 in every polynomial, y should be equal to 1. So using that condition, we have adjusted a0, and then rewriting this a0 in each polynomials, we have obtained Legendre polynomials of degree L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So all these polynomials we have already written in the table. Here the condition is a bit different. Now you have to select amongst the polynomial, so the coefficient of a0 into this. So when I get this a0 inside this, so this is the in this polynomial of degree n equal to 3, this is the highest power of the x raised to 3, and this a0 into 2 upon 3, this number is so adjusted that this will be equal to x raised to n. So first we will write that statement. What is the requirement for this polynomial to get converted into Hermite polynomial? That will be as follows. Okay, so first we will write the definition, and then we will come across this particular examples of this Legendre Hermite polynomials. Now definition. Remember, this definition is bit different than the definition we have used earlier in case of Legendre polynomial. So right here, if the coefficient, just to remember this, we have to write all these lines. Coefficient a0 in the polynomial solution, the coefficient a0 in the polynomial solution of Hermite equation is chosen such that the coefficient of the highest power term is 2 raised to n. That means in a polynomial of n raised to 1, the coefficient of highest power of the term of x should be equal to 2 raised to 1, that is 2. Accordingly, I have to select a0. In the second term, n equal to 1, I have to adjust the a0 in the highest power of x such that I should get this coefficient of highest power of x equal to 2 raised to 1 is 2. Earlier मागच्या केस मध्ये 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 2 is 2, 2 raised to 1 is 2 in the second equation. In the third polynomial, I have to adjust this coefficient a0 into x raised to 3. That is to be taken to be 2 raised to 2. That should become to be 4. Accordingly, I have to adjust this a0, and writing this a0 in our earlier polynomial, whatever we get, that is called as this Hermite polynomial. So we'll write this first, and then we will discuss. Then the resulting polynomial statement is bigger, but we have to write this. Polynomial is called Hermite polynomial. Okay, remember, these polynomials are very, very important and useful in quantum mechanics. Hermite polynomial, and denoted by hn of x, where the small n is the degree of polynomial. This is called as degree of polynomial. Okay, now we'll obtain this. So what is the condition? Just again remember, select the particular polynomial, take the term highest power of x, and what is the degree of that polynomial? That highest power of x is to be adjusted in such a manner that a0 is to be adjusted in such a manner that coefficient of highest power of x should be equal to 2 raised to n. That means in the first polynomial it is 2 raised to 0. In the second polynomial the coefficient should be 2 raised to 1. In the third polynomial the coefficient will be equal to t raised to 2. In the fourth polynomial it is t raised to 3, that is 8. So this way we are going to calculate like this. Okay, so illustrations. illustrations, or let's get first few Hermite polynomials. As what we have obtained earlier, the legendary polynomials, we have to get all these polynomials in the following way. Now, for, as already we discussed, for n is equal to 0, we have obtained y is equal to a0. Now your highest power of x is 0. Okay, this is x raised to 0, but x raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, my highest power is y is equal to a0 multiplied by x raised to 0. This is in the legendary polynomial. This is the highest power term, and this coefficient is to be taken as this a0 should be equal to 2 raised to 0. That is what a0 should be equal to 1. So try to understand what I have done here. In the first polynomial, for n equal to 0, that polynomial was y is equal to a0 times x raised to 0. Highest power term is x raised to 0. So its coefficient a0 to be equated to 2 raised to 0, because this polynomial degree is n is equal to 0. So I have to equate this coefficient a0 to be equal to 2 raised to 0, but 2 raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, I have to take a0 is equal to 1, and therefore my first polynomial y is equal to 1 is, okay, this is Hermite polynomial. Hermite polynomial of degree n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. That is my h0x, and that is simply equal to 1. I got first. Second, so h0x is equal to 1. Now second, आता आपल्याकडे दुसरं होतं पहा, n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 2, see what we have obtained this polynomial. Y is equal to, this is written there, n is equal to 2, this is this, a0 times 1 minus 2x square. Y is equal to a0 times 1 minus 2 into x square. This is my polynomial obtained. Now if I simplify this, this will become a0 minus a0 twice a0 into x square. So this is the highest power of the term, that is x square, and coefficient of this is minus 2a0. Okay, so therefore coefficient of highest power of x, highest power of x, okay, that is x square. Okay, highest power of x, that is x square, is minus 2a0, and according to our definition we have to equate this to be, since this n is equal to 2, we have to equate this to be 2 raised to 2, and that is equal to 4. Okay, so the coefficient of highest power of x square is minus 2 is 0. Therefore I have to equate this, minus 2a0 is equal to 2 raised to n. N is 2, therefore 2 raised to 2, and therefore it is 4. So I'll get this minus a0 is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2, or I'll get a0 is equal to minus 2. So I'll get a0 is equal to minus 2, and therefore replace it here, a0 in our equation, and I'll get y is equal to minus 2 into the bracket 1 minus 2x square. So rearrange this, y is equal to, now taking this 2 there, 2 inside, so minus minus become plus, so it is 4x square minus 2. And this is my Hermite polynomial of h2x. This is my Hermite polynomial of h2x. So I'll make a table here again. ठीक है, अपन नंतर करूया. After these examples we'll go all this. So I got second Hermite polynomial is 4x square minus 2. Now just calculate for n is third, n is equal to 1. Just check what was our equation for y. For n is equal to 1, okay, so this odd power set, so this n is equal to 1, we have is y is equal to x minus in the bracket x minus 2 by 3 x cube. Okay, this is y is equal to a0 into the bracket x minus, let me check it here, it is not given, 2 by 3 x cube minus 2 by 3 x cube. So solving this, I'll get a0 into x minus a0 into 2 by 3 times x cube. So this is the highest power of x. Highest power of x. So equate this. So it is minus a0 into 2 by 3. This coefficient is equal to, now since n is equal to 1, so 2 raised to 1, that is equal to 2. And therefore I'll get minus a0. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled on, since it is on both sides, into 1 by 3 is equal to 1, and that gives me a0 is equal to minus 3. a0 is equal to minus 3. So put this a0 equal to minus 3 in earlier equation. Therefore y is equal to, this is minus 3 into the bracket x minus 2 upon 3 into x cube. And rearranging this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, minus minus will become plus. So it is simply twice x cube minus 3x. So y is equal to twice x cube minus 3x. This is my h1 of x. Hermite polynomial of degree L equal to 1. Hermite polynomials of degree L equal to 1. Okay. So remember, that's how we have written all these three. Thus, we will just summarize this table. Thus, okay. Now this is h0x. Then this is h1 of x. This is h2 of x. If I write all these three polynomials, this will be simply 1. This is 2x. We have missed this. We have actually we have not measured this correctly. Actually, it comes to be 2x, not 2x cube minus 3x. So how it is coming, that we have to check. याचा अर्थ आपण मागच चुकलेला आहे, मागच्या ह्याच्यामध्येच काहीतरी करेक्शन आवश्यक आहे. ओके, विल राइट दिस 2x and third is we have calculated is 4x cube, 4x square minus 2. Similarly, if we go for calculation of next, that is h2x. h2x is it is given to be h0x, h1x, h2x, and then this is h3x, not h2x. h3x is 8x cube minus 12x, and h4x, Hermite polynomial degree n is equal to 4. This is given by 16 x raised to 4th minus 48 x raised to 2 plus 12. Okay. So these are the Hermite polynomials of different orders, degrees. Okay, let's check. आपण मागचं थोडंसं चेक करूया what was happening there. So when we put n is equal to 1, I think we have made some mistake here. इथं बघा काय होतंय, yes, this is what n is equal to 1. This polynomial was this. We have taken this incorrect. हे आपलं चुकलेलं आहे. इथं this for n equal to 1, this polynomial is a0x. So not this. Actually, I skip this. यात हे कोडतो आणि परत लिहितो. So I am just erasing this. Okay, I'll skip this. Actually, why it is not coming? Just a minute. We must have correct this thing here. Okay, I'll write it here. Okay, हे पण नव्हतं चुकायला. This is not to be corrected. Actually, I'll just take this. Just a minute.